Position yourself comfortably so that you can listen to this affirmation audio for some time to come. Once you find comfort, slowly close your eyes. Position yourself as comfortable as possible. Then close your eyes and get rid of all distracting thoughts during this session. Now, take the first action, namely, love yourself. Breathe as comfortably as you can. Slowly. Inhale as much and deeply. It will help change our bodies and minds for the better. Inhale 5 times fully and deeply. Hold and exhale slowly. 1. Take a deep breath and feel your belly start to expand. Feel it in your lungs. Breathe out slowly. Breathe out until you feel relieved. 2. Inhale and feel the oxygen flowing into your bloodstream. Feel and hold it deep. Then exhale. 3. Inhale. Feel like you were pampered and refreshed by this breath. Done. Then exhale slowly. 4. Inhale. Feel how the breath can completely calm yourself naturally. Done. And soak. Then exhale. Along with your sense of tension or worry. And 5. Inhale. Breathe fully as a sign you love yourself. Pause for a moment and soak in. Then exhale and feel complete relaxation. Let your breath flow naturally in your body now. By doing this, you have proven that you are capable of loving yourself. Breathing deeply will increase oxygen to the brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which refers to the nervous system and digestion. By breathing deeply and doing it often, you can regulate your body to rest, which makes you relax and refreshed. This is a way of loving yourself in its simplest form, and it can be done by anyone and at any time. Now, let's respect ourselves by calming the mind Furthermore, notice how a thought comes to your mind, one after another. See them coming, and watch them go. Oh, may thoughts will last, and some thoughts only come momentarily. If you can really focus, you will realize even the smallest things, like describing the world around you, or marking some things that are around you. Let your hearing be very sensitive, and try to focus on the sounds around you. Maybe you can hear the sound of your breath clearly. Or can you hear the sounds of nature all around you? Like the sound of the wind blowing, or the sound of a vehicle from a distance, or even one voice to another. Try to focus on just one sound. Now, stop focusing on any sound, and let all the sounds around you enter your hearing evenly. And when you hear it, the sound becomes a small wave of relaxation, which calms your mind. Now, let's use your amazing imagination to encourage us to love ourselves. Imagine yourself full of abundant love to yourself. Imagine yourself right now choosing healthy foods, and you know all the food ingredients that enter your body. You can clearly see that you are eating it very well. When you eat well, feel yourself enjoying the moment, and feel the nutrition which is given to your body. Imagine now you have a strong will to avoid unhealthy food and drink. Hear yourself very clearly and say no to all unhealthy foods confidently. You feel very proud now. Healthy eating is an important component of loving yourself. Another form of self-love is finding out about our mental state. To love yourself great, you have to develop the good things you feel and get rid of the negative thoughts that arise. Feel yourself saying, "When I fully love myself, I can fully love someone else." Deciding to love yourself is an extraordinary decision. Every day, I let love to myself grow deeper and even deeper. I deserve love and care for myself. Decided to love myself unconditionally, and no matter what. It felt so good. Now open your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath Then exhale. Know that whenever you love yourself, you too will find love.